Oh, my ears are getting frostbite. Oof.
So there you go. That's how it looks. So mounted. It's stable, so it's not going anywhere. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back here to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I mounted these garden hose from Hozereel, and it's a very good system. I really like it. As you can see, I don't have to dig a post or hole for a post. I'm using this easy spike system. You just drive it to the ground. You can get it from Home Depot or major retail stores or even Amazon, and you just put a block on top and hit it with a hammer and send it home. And as you can see, it's easily drivable because it's very sharp. Just make sure you don't have any sprinkler or any lines going underneath. And once you're ready, just remove the blocks. If you need, you can push it down a little further if you need to make it flush to the ground, but it depends on your situation. But yeah, and I have my circular saw, my speed square, and my level, and some another toolbox with the bits and other tools that I need to get this done. So here I'm taking the measurement to see how high I want to mount this thing. I was debating if I were going to mount it lower or higher to the ground. And I came to the conclusion it doesn't need to be that low because it's not like the kids have to do anything with it. So it's completely fine if you mount it a little bit higher. And here I'm taking I'm transferring that measurement to the 4x4. This is a pressure treated 4x4 that I got from Home Depot. It's an 8-foot because I have other things that I'm going to use it for. So just making sure that I mark on all 4 sides, because the blade doesn't cut through the entirety of the 4x4. And here, as you can see, I'm cutting one side, and then I will flip the post around and cut it on the other side, and always following the line to make sure that I get a flush and clean cut.
Okay.
And there you go. We can now fit it into our base. As you can see, it fits perfectly because it's 4x4 on the 4x4 base. No shims, no nothing needed. So now I'm just getting my tools ready to drive some screws and make sure that it's permanently attached to the base, that the post is permanently attached to the base. And I'm using a T25 Torx bit with these exterior graded screws. I think it's deck screws that I have. I had some laying around, so that's what I'm going to use. And here I'm using 3-inch screws, 1 3-inch and 1.5 inches. And the reason being is because I don't need, this is not going anywhere, guys. It's very secure. So the 3-inch screws pretty much just hold it all the way, and the 1.5 inches is just an extra to make sure that it's not gonna lift up or anything like that. So that again, it goes with 3 inches, and then I go with the second one, 1.5 inches. Here are some of the tools or the hardware that came with it. So we have these big screws that you're supposed to use with these anchors. So if you have concrete walls or whatever. So it also came with this Teflon tape thing. Hey, can you get it up?
Okay.
Get this out.
Okay. There. Got it.
Thank you. So this Teflon tape thing, I think you use that to make that connection leak proof. So kind of a little bit of a permanent connection there. But we'll get to that in a minute. But right now, let's get this base connected here. So that's how the base is supposed to go. And there is no right side up or anything like that. And if any way you want to put it, it works. So once you put it there, we're just going to use these screws or these things here to attach here in there and call it a day. So I'm going to use one screw right here in the center, guaranteed. And using a 4x4 gives you the opportunity to also use all 4 holes. So 2 on the bottom, 2 on top. Let's do it. So we put it here and we marked with a pencil. So now we have these marks, 5 marks, and I'm going to pre-drill with these bits. And gonna keep it from splitting the wood and help in the process. And here. So now that our holes are prepped, we can go ahead and grab something like this, a Phillips, and give it a test drive. Since that it's going to work, so let's go for the center first. Because if we put the center first, I'm pretty sure it's going to keep everything aligned. So let's go. I'm not going all the way yet, so just getting them in there. So I can kind of see and align it from behind. And get all 5 screws where they need to be. Can you see me? Last three. So now we're going to get our extension. Probably my extension. Get my beak in there. Let's send it home.
Stable.
Stable. I'll try to give it a shot. Film this.
Okay.
There you go. And it's gonna.
I can turn it left or right. Oh, my ears are getting frostbite. Oof.
So there you go. That's how it looks. So mounted. It's stable, so it's not going anywhere. Yeah, that's one way to do it. And I will get this in here later. We'll call it a day.
Yes, all it is.